This is the CH-47 Chinook, the heavy lift legend of modern aviation. From tactical transport drills to high-altitude banking, it dominates the skies. Have you ever wondered exactly what it takes to build a flying fortress from the ground up? Let's find out.
Hello and welcome to the factory. We're proud to show you the meticulous production journey of the CH-47 Chinook fuselage.
The journey begins here as synchronized workflow handling raw potential. Aerospace-grade aluminum and titanium sheets arrive, ready for inspection.
Okay, easy now. Watch the edge. Down slow. Got it, boss.
Every delivery is tracked, every serial number verified. From logistics planning to the factory floor, traceability is the first law of aviation safety. Bundled frames and composite panels move through the logistics lanes. Before a single cut is made, quality engineers ensure every micron meets the standard.
Confirm status green for rotor install.
Status green.
Bring her down slowly now. Watch the clearance.
The calibration data is uploaded to the manifest.
Please confirm receipt for the CNC stage right here.
Confirmed. We'll initiate transfer now.
Okay, cross-reference the batch numbers for the tail rotor.
Confirmed. The AGV is cleared for transfer.
torque specifications match the schematic here at KL45 F25.
Good, that beam is secure. Let's move on.
The wiring harness here seems slightly misaligned.
Yes, stop the rotation. We need to verify the clearance before it moves past the support arm.
Hold position at the marker.
Copy that. System stabilizing now.
Check the riveting on panel 47. B-shift logged it as complete.
Looks good from here. We are clear for the next phase.
Ensure the green connector is secured to the main bus.
Roger that. Alignment confirmed. Check the alignment on junction 4.
Reading confirmed. Torque is good.
Torque set to specification.
Confirmed. Moving to the next linkage.
The tolerance on this coupling is critical. Use the lower setting.
Roger that. Calibrated to 75.
Steady now, bring her another 10 feet west.
Copy that. 10 feet west, starboard side clear.
Adhesion is excellent here. No primer transfer on the tape.
Confirmed. Logging is fast.
ensure the specifications here are met exactly before proceeding.
Yes, Supervisor. We're double checking the alignment now.
How are the vibration diagnostics looking?
Nominal, running the profile now.
Power bus 1 engaged, hydraulics check green.
Confirmed. APU started, rotor alignment stable.
Clear to spin.
Rotor RPM stable at 98%, confirming green across the board.
Manifest confirms fuel levels are nominal. Roger that. Gauges look good on my end.
How's this seal look?
Within tolerance, we are clear for acceptance.
We have the finalized flight logs and maintenance schedule here.
Yes, all parameters are within tolerance according to the checklist.
Excellent. Let's proceed with the acceptance sign-off.
Altimeter checks good. Cabin pressure holding steady at 5,000 feet.
Final approach looks good. Roger that, touchdown in 3. Shocks are in place, sir. Panels secured. Post-flight checklist is green.
Final systems check complete. We are good to go.
Roger that. Fuel load is confirmed.
Let's initiate startup sequence. All right, confirm the fuel load is at 18,000 pounds for the first leg.
Is that including the auxiliary tanks listed here?
That is correct. Double check the weight and balance.
All systems green. Tower confirms clearance.
Roger. Spooling up in sequence.
See that anomaly on the screen?
Yep, I see it. Logging it as reviewed. We are clear here.
Everything secured for the night?
Yes, all set. She's ready for the morning brief.
We take immense pride in the craftsmanship of every CH-47 Chinook that leaves this hangar. Thank you for your trust, and farewell.